Welcome back. This is episode 6 or 7. I've got episode 4 on. I've done 5 was... oh, what was number 5? So episode 4 was the last one I've posted. I've done 3 this week, so yeah, so I'm on episode 7 I believe. It might not be, but anyway. Engine's still on the bench. I've started cleaning it all down. A couple of these things ready for cleaning off all the horrible stuff. Get it ready for paint. I've used my Dremel. I only had one of these. I thought I'd give it a go, get all in the all bits, but it just sprayed all the hairs off, or what do you call them, and I'm covered in them. I'm itching all over, so I need to wash me jumper really. So there's that. At the moment I'm just taking all the bits off, like the carburetor boots and the brackets and stuff like that. I'm going to be taping these up, the covers, the side covers, and then putting them back on, just so I can paint them another day. Save sanding down as well. I'll put these to one side. These are carburetor boots. You've got to check the seal there, you don't want that leaking. And check on the mating surface on the engine. So yeah, you don't want that leaking, because that will be bad. So next time you see this engine, which will be literally in a couple of seconds, I'll have it clean and ready for paint. There we are. Engine's ready for a lick of paint. First with the X-Brown. I'm doing the top off first, and then I'll have to flip the engine up to get the bottom off. So I've got everything masked off. What I've done is, if you look down hither, obviously now we're upside down, I've put cardboard bits on, masked up the covers for now. Still undecided what colour go for them, but at least the top half will be in etch primer today, so that's good. Looking rather smart, if I do say so myself. I'm happy with that so far. Right, let that cure for a bit, and then onto top coat, base coat. Righto, close up of the silver paint. A lot better. Looks brand new. Don't worry about the bolts like these two. I do have new ones coming, although they don't look too bad anyway. I've got new ones rather, I should say. Oh, missed a bit down there. Well, that's not too bad, I can touch that up soon. We can call that an end then. A nice little video for you, just an update. Alright, let that cure and we'll call it a day. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.